loves, in today's reading we will going to have general reading. And before tayo mag-start, I would like to invite you to follow our other social media platform like IG account. And if you feel resonated with my energy, meron pa tayong mga crops na available po sa ating shop na nakalink dyan sa ating description box. Ito po yung ating pinaka-latest na Red Evil Eye with Black Tourmaline na super powerful when it comes to return to sender. Okay, so sino ba ang nangangailangan ng mensahe na to? Message, random message from spirit guides. Okay, for those of you na hot-tempered, nakakaramdam ng hot-tempered ngayon, or sa mga nakaraan previously, or those of you na or anyone in need of a vacation from their thoughts. Okay, hot-tempered, sa mga nangangailangan ng pahinga when it comes to their thoughts. To anyone that perpetually frazzled, or sabihin nating type A workaholics. For anyone na sabihin natin yes, understimulated, or anybody looking to get acquainted with their fears, yung mga kailangan nilang harapin ang inyong fears. Okay, this is for you. Okay, so we have carnelian here. We also have rhodochrosite. And yes, ayan, we have Amazonites. For anyone struggling like Mercury retrograde, kahit hindi naman Mercury retrograde, ayan, this is for you. For anyone na grieving or needing to grieve, have major loss, especially in a relationship, or sabihin natin relationship expired, this is for you. Okay. Let's see. Ayan, tama nga. You are now currently dealing with painful endings. You feeling backstabbed or having loss. Ito yung confirmation na this is for you if you feel grieving, or if you feel if you are dealing with relationship expiration, or yung mga outdated relationship, yung mga sabihin nating wala ng spark, and also yung mga outdated idea or when it comes to passion. So ito na yung confirmation na this is for you with the 10 of Swords. Also nandito ang hope. Ayan, kung mapapansin natin, may kinalaman din dito yung okay, andito. Okay, I see here, the spirits wants you to know na lalo na dito if you are dealing with painful endings with the rhodochrosite, and also with, sabihin natin, ito ay general reading pero parang ito ay more on, sabihin natin, love relationship, or kung hindi man siya intimate relationship, maybe it's friendship. And I also hear na there's some renewal. Kung merong endings, merong renewal na paparating. There's a miracles. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo ina-expect itong mga sabihin natin darating sa'yo. Ito ay naka-aligned, nakalinya sa purpose ng endings na to. If you feel stabbed in the back, and if you are currently, sabihin natin, being left to bleed out, ng mga taong nakadiscourage, sabihin natin ng mga taong pinagkatiwalaan mo, ng mga taong hindi mo inaasahang nakakapanakit sa'yo, there's a miracle, there's some renewal na mangyayari. Maybe may kinalaman din yung mga taong to, yung mga nakapag-cause sa'yo ng deep wounds, maaaring magkaroon din ng renewal. And I also heard, sabihin natin na if you are currently dealing with painful, with pain, again, sa connection na meron ka, it's either friendship or relationship, nagsasayang ka ng oras. Because yung stars din, sabihin natin, hindi lang siya para sa hope. yung stars ay kumbaga nangangahulugan din na pagsasayang. And nakaharap siya dito, so ibig sabihin kung nakakaramdam ka ng pain sa isang connection or relationship, nagsasayang ka. Okay? So kailangan dito, pag-isipan mo mabuti ang mga bagay-bagay, kung ano ang purpose ng pain na idinudulot sa'yo ng taong yan, and heal your sabihin natin, heal yourself, help yourself to heal. Hindi mo kailangan magtiis dito sa pain na idinudulot sa'yo, or hindi mo kailangan mag-stick dito sa endings na to. Tandaan mo, ito yung kailangan ma-resonate ngayon, yung faith and hope. Kasi merong miracles na mangyayari sa'yo. Merong rejuvenation na mangyayari sa'yo. Kung ano man yung mga deep wounds na yan, gagaling yan. Kasi tingnan mo, napakaganda ng cards. Mula dito sa painful endings, merong sabihin natin healing na paparating sa'yo. Okay? Kung hindi mo pa nakikita yon, kung ikaw ay nakastick pa rin dito sa painful na to, sa mga sa loss na to, or sabihin natin dito sa wounds na to, kumbaga kailangan mo nang mag-move on. Kailangan mo i-heal ang sarili mo. You are also called to heal yourself right now. Huwag kang magsayang. Okay? And I also heard if you are someone na currently into financial failure because of the 10 of Pentacles in reverse, meron dito, mag-move on ka na. Ayan, dalawang hope ang dumating sa cards mo. You know, hope, hope. Dalawang hope ang dumating sa cards. So, dito, masasabi natin na kung ano man yung mga losses, loss of kung ano man yung mga losses, financial losses or investment na naranasan mo, there's a recovery coming for you. Napakaganda ng mga cards. Sobrang bait ng ating spirits to channel these messages. This message are, sabihin natin, yung focus ng energy na to is for hope. Para bigyan ka ng hope kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan mo. Ito yung mga pinagdadaanan mo, financial loss, sa painful endings. Pero nandito yung dalawang hope card natin with the Page of Cups. Okay? There's a hope returns. Ang kailangan lang dito, ang sinasabi dito ng cards ay kailangan mong makarecover. Kung hindi mo kaya makarecover, there's a miracle coming for you. You will go into find peace by accepting this reality. Kung ano man ang purpose ng mga pangyayari na to, kailangan ay i-accept mo yon. And this is our confirmation card. Yes, ayan, transition coming for you. You have to leave it behind. Sabi nga dito, moving on, diba? You have to move on, my loves. Diba? Lahat nakita nyo, sinapal natin lahat to, pero ang cards are aligned. Tingnan mo, moving on to calmer waters. Kung ano man yung mga gumugulo sa isipan mo, kagaya nga ng mga nandito sa ating mga cards, is meron transition, may pagbabagong mangyayari. There's also, kung hindi mo ma-imagine na kaya mong harapin ito, there's accepting lessons coming for you. Ma-accept mo yan, my loves. And if you are seeing this video, this is confirmation na kailangan gawin mo na to ngayon. That is for your healing. Okay? Let's see message from our angels and guides. Ayan, listen to your intuition, my loves. And kung naguguluhan ka, napapakinggan mo to, kung sabihin natin na parang imposible naman na makamove on ka agad because of this deep wounds, because of this crisis, listen to your intuition. Ano ba ang kailangan mong gawin? Kung hindi ka naniniwala dito na ito na yung time para mag-move on ka, forgive yourself, my loves. Forgive yourself and ibalik mo yung hope and faith na meron ka. Just trust, my loves. Okay, angels and guides are telling you to trust. Trust. And trust yourself. Forgive yourself kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. I also heard na kailangan mo nang i-heal ito. Because of this transition, manalig ka, my loves. May magandang mangyayari sa'yo. Claim it, okay? And yan, kung ano man yung mga iniisip mo, there's a sharp no. Okay? Listen to your intuition. Kung ano man yung sabihin natin mga negative thoughts na yan, ipahinga mo yan. Kaya nga, di ba sabi natin kanina kung sino man yung mga nangangailangan ng vacation of their thoughts. Listen to your intuition, ipahinga mo, and you're ready to move on. You're ready to get this in this transition. You're ready to moving on into this calmer waters. Okay? Let's see our supporting messages for this reading. Lakasan mo ang loob mo, my loves. Kaya mo yan. This is from message from Lakshmi. There's a bright future awaiting for you. Stop worrying. Everything is going to be fine. Ayan, nagwo-worry ka nga, my loves, kaya sobrang dami mong iniisip. And ayan na naman, transformation! Transition dito, transition, moving on. There's a transformation coming for you. You are experiencing enormous change right now. Kagaya na sinabi ko dito sa Stars card, may purpose ang mga bagay-bagay. Bakit mo yan nararanasan? Dahil ito ay part ng transition and transformation which brings great blessings for you. And also, receptivity. Receptivity allows you or yourself to receive. Ano sabi natin dito? 2 cards nang lumabas dito, acceptance. And this is to allow yourself to receive the miracles and blessings coming for you. Kung ano ang nakatadhana sa'yo, this will increase your intuition, energy, and ability to give to others. My loves, forgive yourself. Kung ano man yung painful na nararanasan mo ngayon, yung pain, yung wounds na sabihin natin na kung nasaktan ka sa mga bagay-bagay sa iyong mga love life or friendship, betrayal, iyan ay naka-aligned. May purpose ang lahat. Bakit kailangan mo yung maramdaman? Okay? There's a bright future coming for you. Wag mo hahayaan na mag-stick ka dito sa 10 of Swords energy na to. Kasi kailangan mo na ng healing, my loves. Just trust. Kagaya ng sinabi ng angels and guides, just trust yourself, forgive yourself, and trust them. Okay? And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.